Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Simpio, as you know. Today I'm unboxing some items. I bought some Boya by M1 lavalier mic, and then I have Speedlight stand mount and umbrella kit. So it's this one that is a stand mount. So there's the umbrella here, and there's these items that I'm talking about. I hope you'll enjoy this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification, and don't forget to share as well. Okay, we are good to go. Hi again, guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to set up this this is a light stand, and this one is a transculent. Is it transculent? It's a transculent umbrella, shoot through umbrella. So I'm going to set up this. Yeah, please watch me. Oh, before I forgot, I also have this. This is a, what do you call this, a hot shoe, yeah, something like that. You see this hole, you just put the so I will use it like this. So please watch me. So the time I'm setting up this. Yes, it's an umbrella. It's an umbrella, shoot through umbrella. So yes, no, it's not for it's not for the rain, it's for the photo shoot. You'll see how it works, right? You'll see how it works. Yeah, guys, sorry about that. Yeah, I will show you how this works very quickly. Okay, you open okay, you just make it loose like this, and then okay, you open it like this. Wow, you see? And then you fasten up here, and then yeah, it really does balance. It really does balance. And then you put it down, this one. Oh yeah, actually this thing you can remove and put it anyway and throw it away if you like. Yeah, guys are still with me. Still setting up. Just please watch, don't go away.
Guys.
Yeah.
Please watch, babe.
Yeah, so let me just set up this like this. Yeah, they said it's 12 feet, so let me see. Wow, that is really long. But for now, let me just set up. Yeah. Ew. Let's see. Ah, yes, the light's going to spread like the whole room. So let's put it. This is how it looks, guys. This is how it looks. So this thing, you have to treat it like yeah, we've set up this. So now I'm going to take my flash and put it here, and then test the umbrella, how does it works. Now, because we are using the umbrella, we're gonna remove the diffuser of the flashlight, and then I'm sure this thing must be here. Ooh. Okay guys, just sort up my settings. So now I need someone to test with. All right guys, yes, I've set up my camera to this flash, and then the flash pops this shoot through umbrella, then the light go that side. So yeah guys, I think I've reached the end of my, I've got to the end of my what do you call this, unboxing. Yeah, I'm loving these items, and I wish I would work well with it going forward. Without wasting your time guys, thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.